You never need to give a dealer your credit to get a quote on a car. I worked for Mercedes-Benz for 5 years, General Motors for 5 years. I ran thousands of quotes and never once did I need a credit profile. Why? Because it's only an estimate and that's all you want. You're standing in front of a car and you don't know what it costs. I'm gonna teach you how to do that before the end of the video. And all you want is an estimate, and it's important you tell them assume good credit when you give me the quote. Why? Because you need to know what this car costs with good credit. Let's say it's $450 a month. By the time they run your credit, if they come back at $700 a month, they now need to explain to you how it went from $450 to $700. But if you don't get a quote with good credit, you'll never know it was $450. Now, you need to know on a 5-year loan, every $5,000 that you borrow is about $100 a month. So when you're looking at a car that's $25,000, first thing in your mind should be that's about $500 a month. If it's $15,000, it's about $300 a month. And if you go in with those parameters and the first part of this video, there's no way they could rip you off. Follow me for more guidance. Click the link in the bio if you want to learn how to shop from home.